we're off in the bee wagon, the new bee wagon, the caddy van. We got some equipment with us. We got some more equipment in the back of the van. We're on a mission. Guess who's back? Oh, look at my white legs. Back again. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Yesterday, come over yesterday to have a look. I got a text message, and then there was a lot of bees, and went inside, and there was a lot of bees inside the building, and they was all at this top corner this time, top right corner of the building, and on the inside, but also up near the camera. So I've just messaged to let them know I'm here. See, there's one up near the camera now. But yesterday they seemed like, well, sort of discombobulated. It's a big word, isn't it? Because they was just sniffing round, all round the top there where the camera is. And they was sniffing all along the front of the building and all going in this corner. But there was a lot of bees inside, all up the windows. So I'm wondering if they've swarmed in, but then couldn't come back out or something. They've been gone in the building or something. But we'll have a look. So it's a bit strange, not seeing much bee activity. But you can see why they come here. It's an orchard. What a spot. I mean, you could just fill this up all round here. You get like 150 hives in here, all lined along. But yeah, I was just wondering if it'll go into the vent on the roof. It's got a vent on the roof, like there, look, and it's open. There was a bee just sniffing around it, but there'd be a lot more. Yeah, it's an old orchard or something. So probably someone's had bees here before. It's probably been kept bees in here. See, this is where I reckon they could be going in. There. But it's just really strangely quiet. Yesterday they were all up there at the windows. At the windows there. I wonder. I've seen a couple of bees go in there, but they're sniffing about up there where the camera is as well. Look. They're going up there. I can't get them out, that's too high for me. So I'll just watch for a little while, see what's going on. I'll have a look over the back, around the back. Perhaps they were all just scouting yesterday, but that was way too many scouts, because there was probably 100 plus bees in the building dead, and the lady said she's been and cleaned them up twice like that now. I'll probably get the ladder out and I'll just get my ear to the wall up there, see if I can hear anything. Perhaps they've gone in there and then gone up the roof and then all got stuck or something. Yeah, I'll have a look around the other side. So I think these are just scouts. So they probably will get another swarm in there. But yesterday that was strange. There's one here. Just do the one. I'm going to get the ladder out and have a look around there, but I don't think one's gone in. But I think one will be going in soon. They're liking that spot up there where that netting is. See, there is a lot of bee activity this side. But if they'd have swarmed in there, they'd know where they're going. These just don't, they're like scouts or lost bees. Right, just went in, looking under the roof this time. There is a few there though. See, this seems like the hole they're going in and out of. But they're sniffing along there, like. Yeah. So I don't think they've gone in yet. But you can see the dead bees on the inside of the window. So there was a lot in there. So perhaps they swarmed into the building and it was a mini caste swarm. Because there is bees that. You see, if scouts go to a location and don't go back, I don't know. Confusing. Unless someone sprayed it or something. If they'd have swarmed in, they'd be in and out, and all the bees would be coming home now. I don't think they have. But I bet they will. Quite a few up there. They do like this wedding shop. As I say, it looks like a perfect place where you would put hives. There is a fair bit of activity there. Same, they'd be coming and going. They're scouts. Or lost bees. What are you, bee? Scout or lost? Suppose I could leave bait hive in that tree. That's what we'll do, leave bait hive in that tree. See what happens. So I've just put a box in the tree. That's all I can really do. You can't get a swarm out if they're in a swarm in. They're just scouts or discombobulated lost bees. Doomed. You kind of see that like when someone's sprayed. You see don't like that, or when a swarm's been took away. Don't know, weird, because the amount of bees that were there yesterday was a lot on the outside and on the inside. So we'll just see. That's all we can do, put the box up. The box is up. Let's go and get some food.